The Epistimi robot is a social assistive robot which employs social interaction to support the teacher and expand the abilities of the learning environment. Additionally, it supports the students in meeting the learning objectives through various teaching approaches. It has been designed both in terms of its appearance and its functionalities to enhance students' social context and promote their interest and motivation towards STEM through active engagement in learning. According to scientific evidence, the role of a social assistive robot in learning and instruction can be dynamic and versatile. This also applies to Epistimi robot. The robot can act as a tutor's assistant that scaffolds one or more students while they are engaged in solving a problem or watching a video, during which it can comment and ask questions that are under the teacher's aims for the course. Furthermore, the robot can act as a student's assistant during learning and instruction. To illustrate, Epistimi can take notes that students dictate while they are engaged in an experimentation. It can provide students additional information when required, or pose reflective questions on a topic. Let's assume that students are engaged in the topic of heat in physics. The robot can pose information and send inquiries that could clarify the concepts of heat and temperature for them, since misconceptions are often created about these topics. Moreover, it can collaborate as a partner with the students to solve a quiz. The robot can provide plausible answers for the quiz and motivate students to evaluate its inferences that they might otherwise not consider. Additionally, the robot could act as a peer or a friend in entertaining activities, playing a game or saying a joke to the students. In any case, the Epistimi robot provides motivation through verbal and non-verbal communication and creates opportunities for students' equal participation in the learning procedure. Despite the various roles that the Epistimi robot could have in the learning environment, it is important to remember that the social assistive robots are implemented in education in order to collaborate with students and in the same time be exploited by the teacher as one more instructional tool that enhances learning, rather than replacing the teacher.